Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
What is your name?
Anita Bhagatmati.
Where are you from?
From village Butana, district Goana, Sonipat, Haryana.
When did you take initiation from Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj?
I took initiation from Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj in 1999.
What devotional practices you used to do before taking initiation from Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj?
Before coming under the shelter of Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, we used to worship all the deities. We used to do the same what society does. We used to observe fast, like going to the goddesses, going to Lord Hanuman, and going to Balaji, going to Vaishno Devi. This is what we used to do.
Sister, then how did you come under the shelter of Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj?
It's a very long story. If I tell it all, morning turns into evening and vice versa. But it will still not be complete. It is a very long story. We had become so sad by worshipping these gods that we were going to end completely. Then my sister lives in Rohtak told us that Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj has come. Take initiation from him. Then we went to Rohtak and took initiation from Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Ji.
The devotees who take initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Ji get many benefits. So, did you also get some benefits after taking initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Ji?
Yes, we have received so many benefits that my tongue will become small while praising the Sadguru. It is said that even if I make the ink of the sea, that too will end. If I make a pen of all the trees, that too will end. But the qualities of Sadguru will not be written. Sadguru gave us so many benefits that I will be very grateful to him for the rest of my life. First of all, we had a phantom obstacles which was inside me, and that phantom created so much havoc that my body was completely damaged. I was almost about to die. I was not even able to take a bath. I could not do anything. The children did everything for me. Then after coming under the shelter of Sadguru Rampal Ji Maharaj, I gradually become completely fine. Gradually, because of the true devotion given to us by the Supreme God, Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Ji, I got completely cured. And today I am in front of you and I do all the work. Before that, I cannot do any work. There is so much power in true devotion that after coming into his shelter, I was completely cured. And the condition of our house was also very bad. We had to see such days that we did not even have enough to pay rent. And today, by the mercy of Sadguru, I have got so many benefits. I have got so many benefits that I cannot even count. I will get tired of counting benefits that God has given me. Now we don't need anything and we have got true devotion. We found the way to God. I used to have pain in my stomach due to kidney stones. Then I went to Rohtak Medical for treatment. They did an ultrasound and found that there is stone in both kidneys. Both the kidneys were filled with stones of 8 mm. The medical people tried a lot but it did not come out. I went to MP, UP for medicine. I also went to Delhi. I took medicine from many places, but that stone did not get removed. It was an 8 mm stone. Both kidneys were full and the doctors tried their best. For almost 1.5 to 2 years, I went through with stone treatment, but I didn't get cured from any doctor. There are so many reports, but today I forgot to bring them. So many reports are kept at my home. Doctor said that the operation will be done, but I was very afraid of the operation. I was very afraid that I couldn't go through with the operation. But then Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj showed such mercy that I had gone to the ashram to listen to the satsang, and some devotees were discussing there that I got the benefit and I got such benefits. I was sitting with the devotees. One told that I had stones. Then I started thinking that, oh God, I don't know when my stone will come out. So I went to the bathroom. There 3-4 stones came out on their own, slowly. All of them came out without operation. The stone which was 8 mm in both the kidneys come out without any operation. Earlier I had taken a lot of medicine but nothing helped me. Today I am completely healthy by the grace of Saint Rampal Ji. There is no pain. Now I do all the household chores and I'm very healthy. And my husband had not taken initiation earlier, but he also took later, seeing my condition that now she has cured. So he also took initiation and he used to drink a lot in army. He used to drink a lot of liquor, used to smoke cigarettes also. Now he has completely abandoned addiction. Now we have our own house. It has become like heaven for us. Our children have also taken initiation. They are studying well. My daughter and son both are very, and we had some debt due to the transaction in the family. That too, by the grace of God, by the grace of Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, that too was cleared, and our condition became completely fine.
Sister, after taking initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj Ji, you got many benefits. Your diseases were cured. Then what kind of devotional practices Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj gives, which cures all your diseases and problems?
Look, Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is telling true devotion that is written in our scriptures. What Gita Ji is telling us, all the 4 Vedas, 18 Puranas, our scriptures, religious books, what all they are devotional practice, Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is telling us. He is telling true devotion. With that true devotion, we are getting all the relief. And the mantras that Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj give us, those mantras have such power that everything is fine. And that's why all our work has been done and everything is getting cured.
Sister, what message would you like to give to the devotees who are seeing you today and are also suffering from some disease or other problems?
Look, only Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj can give the message. We are his slaves. What message can we give? We can only pray that if you are also sad like us, sad in some way or the other due to illness, if yes, then you should also come to the shelter of Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Listen to his knowledge at least once and come in his shelter and see. You are wandering here and there, going to the mountains, going to temples and gurudwaras. Then at least once listen and understand the knowledge of Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj and take refuge in him and see again. If you don't get the benefit, then see.
Sister, how can initiation be taken from Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj?
To take initiation from Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, discourses come on many channels like Sadhana TV, Shraddha and Ishwar channels have stripes on them with numbers written on them. By contacting those numbers, wherever you are, your nearest initiation center will be told to you. And it is very convenient to take initiation. Neither you have to pay anything nor do anything. You get the initiation absolutely free. Everything is free. Come under the shelter of Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj once and see everyone will be happy. The whole earth will be happy. The whole world will be happy. Supreme God Kabir Sahib has come in the form of Sadguru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Take refuge under him once.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you, Sat Sahib Ji.